Welcome to FRS Roofing plus Gutters, your trusted partner for roof repair and maintenance in Lexington, Massachusetts. We understand the importance of preserving the stability and permanence of homes. With many owner-occupied homes, FRS Roofing plus Gutters values quality roof care to uphold its sense of community. Our team is dedicated to ensuring your home's roof is in top-notch condition year-round. Whether it's a minor repair or routine maintenance, we're here to keep your roof strong and secure. Homeowners' reputation for wanting a high quality of life aligns perfectly with our commitment to excellence. From its strong sense of community to access to various amenities, this community has it all. We prioritize the safety and longevity of your residents. Trust the experts in roof repair and maintenance to keep your home protected. We understand the unique needs of homeowners and tailor our services accordingly. Let us take care of your roof so you can continue to enjoy all that we can offer. Contact us today at 781-322-6252 to schedule your roof assessment or visit our website at frsroof.com/roof-replacement/Lexington. Count on our team for professional, reliable service in Lexington and beyond. Elevate your home's safety and comfort with FRS Roofing plus Gutters.